Hi everyone, welcome back another session. So in this few minutes, I will break down this type of 3D content, documentary style content. Uh, if you visit those channels, they are doing really great. And also this channel, you know about this channel, Lim, and they're starting 9 months ago, and still are they are working on this. They use AI for this content. They use AI visuals, then few real footage and then text effects, and they make the videos with combined lot of things. So if you see this type of channel, it's not a AI content. They made with Blender and lot of manual things they use, but still we can do with AI. Why I'm sharing this video? Because you know the YouTube update, recent update in authentic issues, lot of things. So in authentic issue we get but there is a lot of reason, people using same format again and again, same repetitive content, repetitive title. It's not about the AI content, it's about any kind of content. If you make a real videos, but still you are doing same thing, same repetitive title, same repetitive thumbnail, and same repetitive concept, same editing, there is nothing interesting, nothing new. So you will get the inauthentic issues. No, it's not about AI, it's about the format, it's about the things you are using on your videos. So that's why I'm sharing this video for with you, because if you see the last 1 year results, this type of 3D content, you will see every channel still working really well, and there is also their recent channel also working really well, and still this type of channel are monetized. They don't face too much inauthentic issue like that. And also see there is a different type of same type, but there is a different, it's they use aircraft like content. So some are using Blender, some using AI, and they make the content like 50% like that. You can say like uh, 50% AI visuals, and 10 30% you can say 30% real resource mean, let's say if you target if you make any videos about the let's say the most genius bank robber in history. So in this video there is a must be a real character. So if you search on the Google or any public resource, I mean any public platforms, you will get the resources about these topics. So then you can use this 30% real resource, 50% AI visuals, and then 10% text effect, lot of things, and 10% more something unique. Okay, so this way you can create your content very good. Also you can make your content, you can represent your content unique way, and it will become more manual content, because you are not using directly 50% AI visuals. You are creating visuals, then you are, and then you edit the videos on your editing software, then you use real resources, then you use text effects, lot of things, then you use more 10% extra manual things. So this way you can get your 100% videos, I mean good videos. I'm not talking about AI tools, I mean the lot of AI tools offering the one click videos. I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about manual videos like that. So this type of content really is great for start. You can start, because those niche are also working on Facebook, so also working on TikTok, also working on uh, any video platform. So you can create you can start this type of documentary style content. I'm not talking about directly one click videos, I'm talking about documentary content. If you visit those channels, you will get the idea how they made their videos unique way. You can see there is a four channel. They have four channel. There is one channel, second there is a main one. This is main one, then second, then third. They start a new ones. Every channel get a lot of attentions. You can see their reach, the subscriber, and lot of things. If you visit their content, you see how much they're earning. Obviously, if you click here, it's not bad. If you have channel like this three, if you earn a minimum 4K in month, that's mean you are earning 3 into by 4, 12K one, right? Am I right? I think I'm very. So this way we create our content for our client channel. You can see we are offering this type of or services. We offer very less price because they are creating with Blender. So Blender price, there is a 1 minute they charge 100 to $200. So this is the charge of Blender. I think they charge more, but we are not charging like that. 1 minute $200. We are offering a very good price, for friendly price for beginner client, any kind of a client. And also we are creating content for client. You can see
Right
our
now,
project.
as you watch this video, someone knows what you searched for this.
Look at that, we are using also real footage. Also we are using AI visuals, because we create visuals with AI, then we
What
edit
emails you
our
sent.
videos like that. You can see our Premiere Pro timeline, and
A
we
hacker,
we make the
not a
videos
criminal.
like that.
Your own government.
Real
In
footage,
June 2013, one
text, lot
man
of
sat
things.
alone in a
So
darkened hotel room in Hong Kong.
if you need this kind of service, I mean, you can DM us. We can offer you good price, monthly basis. Also we offer full management services. We will give you script, voiceover, script, thumbnail, lot of things, everything. You have to just spend money, and we will take care of your channel. So this is our services. And also, if you want to learn, we have also course. You can DM us for course, and you can uh, learn by yourself. It's not for yourself. If you know how to create a content, you can manage your team. You can hire editor. You can hire editor for you, and then this way you can build your own agency, own team, lot of things. Because when you know how to create a content, you can easily hire editor. You can easily make team, good team, in just a few months, because it takes time. So if you want to learn, you can DM us for also course admissions. A lot of things we are teaching recently. Also we are trying to add FB automations. It will be start end of June, and now we are offering course 50% discount, Eid specials. So it will be end very soon. So that's the good chance to take our course. And that's it. So my main point was, start this type of niche. If you know how to create content, it's good for you. You can start also as a shorts. If you start shorts, then first starts Facebook, then when you get the money, you can start with YouTube. Because shorts price is very less. If you want to create I mean, if you want to make your videos out from outsource. So start from shorts. Don't start shorts with YouTube channel. Start with Facebook shorts, and then when you have money, then you can start a long form content for YouTube or Facebook as well. So that's the things. That's the planning. That's the plan. And so I hope you get the idea, and I hope you can start your first channel. So that's it, guys, and take care. And I know I'm talking about a lot of things, but still, this is really good niche to start. So learn and create your content. Or if you don't know, DM us. We are here always. Thank you.